Welcome to the Vector Garden. Here's a quick demo of an exciting new thing that has been added to Illustrator Turntable. As usual, you get it in the beta version that you can download via the Creative Cloud app. If you have that turntable, and I have already generated that, so I'm clicking here to get the turntable that's already there, and you see I can rotate that. But the next thing you can do now is export that as a GIF. So here's the button, and you select the file format and the location, and then export that. You get some options. You cannot select a different size, so you have to figure that out with the size of the object on the artboard. So now you can have it play back and forth, or just go round and round and round. Choose the direction and the frame rate, and then export it. And then afterwards, you can open the exported GIF, for example, in a browser. So I'm just going to open it from the desktop, and there we've got it. A nice rotating zebra.